Are you asking or demanding? Oh, you're asking me. I politely refuse.
Listen, we're not going to have you here, okay? Causing a disturbance inside the lobby.
Is my camera a disturbance?
Come back here tomorrow. I don't care if you provide ID tomorrow. You're going to jail because this is enough. All right? You understand that? You can have your 600 followers. Have a freaking good day. Grab your thing and get out.
That's why we need to step out. Step out us because
I ain't gonna step out. Yo, why you trying to grab me, yo?
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Jay Surreal channel. Today, I'm going to expose the Miami Beach Police Department and how these public servants treat my good friend, South Beach King. Him and his son do live in the beach. They are my good friends. They are hardcore supporters to the 1A community. And I want to give a huge shout out to them for picking up a camera and having the courage to face the government and these tyrannical servants that we pay to protect us here in Miami Beach, Florida. So let's go ahead and help him out with some support, guys, and some subscribers. He did reach out to me for some help to feature a couple of his videos. I'll drop his link in the description below. Let him know I sent you. Now, with that being said, let's get to this.
That's what I want to know.
Unless you put a hold on, unless you claim it today, then they cannot get rid of it because they think after 90 days.
Yeah, so no,
I gotta talk to him.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
Oh, listen to me. Miss Wright took care of the situation. I was gonna form a complaint on you, but you need to clean up. I'm gonna let my viewers tell me in the comments if I need to file a complaint. Like that, thumbs up. All right, guys, you tell me. Charlie, Echo, Romeo, Echo, Zulu, Oscar.
Because I'm not doing my window recording here. It's zooming into my face.
It's public.
Because if he wants to get his property, he needs to get out of my face. No.
It's called time, place, and manner. I can stay here till the time you close. If it's at 1, I can stay here recording you. I got a duty to record my... I'm not a doggy. Oh, you guys see this? I'm gonna have to file a complaint. Besides, I'm waiting for my package. It's called time, place, and matter. The time, the hours you work, the place, and the matter that I'm waiting for my property. So I can be here and record you all day. Wow, what a disdain for the public. We're definitely filing a complaint on her. Definitely. We're gonna get our last 3 check stubs. No. Tremenda chacal esa tipa. Disdain for the public.
That should be 2 bottles, pants,
Tranquilo.
and a hat.
Yeah, my sir. He's my second. He's my second recorder. And now she wants to call. Yeah. Okay, listen, guys. Back to the point. The server that has a disdain for the public, I'm waiting for my property that they're going to bring to me.
But have a seat. Wait for your property.
I'd rather stand, Gonzalez.
Listen, we're not going to have you here, okay? Causing a disturbance inside the lobby.
Is my camera a disturbance?
Listen, if you want to make a complaint, I'll call the supervisor, make your complaint. But do not stay in front of the desk over here. Stay over there. She'll call you when your property's ready.
So I can't stay here?
No, you cannot.
I can stay.
Yes.
Is that a lawful order?
Of course.
And what law you?
want.
No, what law are you backing up? I'm waiting for my property. I don't want to sit. I got back
You're
problems.
disturbing her, okay?
A camera?
And she's not going to be able to look for your property or their property if you keep disturbing her.
Okay, how am I disturbing
So
it?
just have a seat over there.
Okay, Officer Gonzalez, with all respect.
I just told you right now.
Okay. How is a camera is going to be a disturbance? This is the First Amendment protective activity, and you know that. You took an oath to that.
Record from over there. Just record from over there.
I want to stay here.
It never fails, people. The unlawful directives, the unnecessary, unreasonable behavior by these cops, it's pretty pathetic. Like I always say, they gotta have some type of power and control because they got that little badge and gun. Abusing their authority.
I'm waiting for my property. You took an oath to that.
You're going to delay their process.
No, I don't know why. A camera's delaying her process from here? How is that delaying her
Because
process?
you don't stop speaking and making comments towards the lady.
I was asking for my property.
You have to wait. They're waiting.
All right, yeah, I know. They're with me.
All
Okay,
these people are with you.
All right, I'm gonna wait here, Gonzalez.
Oh, you guys are with him.
Yeah. He's on his case, but yes, it's with me.
His property's next.
Tiene que dar la vuelta por allá, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna call the supervisor because he's not cooperating. Sí,
Cooperating.
pero está cerrado hoy. Mañana.
Mira, Gonzalez, as a matter of fact, bring me 2 complaint forms. One for you, one for her.
Absolutely. I'll
Dale.
get a supervisor for you.
Yeah.
He can fill out both.
I don't need a supervisor. I just need my property.
Respond to the lobby, please. Hoy cierran los lunes.
Just give me an unlawful order to go sit down like a puppy.
Ellos tienen el schedule de ellos y ellos lo dicen.
San Joaquin Valley. Are you looking at this?
Hay un papelito delante de la puerta esta que le dice
San Joaquin. Ellos no quieren ayudarte. Ellos lo quieren joderte. San Joaquin Valley, Bay Area Transparency. We the university. Gonzalez, you took an oath to protect my First Amendment. Now, if I want to stand here and wait, I can wait. How about now? I don't need this red tape, bro. When you were playing with an elementary school, I was already hanging out con toda esta gente.
I doubt we're that.
No, when you were in elementary, I was already.
I doubt we're that.
Yeah, I know. That means you were a kid when I was arresting people when you were a kid. Raúl Díaz. Ricky Clemens, he went to school with me. I'll call Ricky right now.
Call Ricky. You don't know how it works here. Call Ricky.
I gotta keep recording.
The Miami Beach Police Department never fails. I know from experience myself. Now, let's go over to another interaction that this man had at a Publix supermarket. It had to do with a trespass that these cops have no idea how that simple law actually works. It's a good thing that he recorded this. Let's take a look.
Am I getting detained?
You are detained while we have your ID.
Oh, why am I getting detained for? All right, if you're trespassing me, I'm out of here. Are you asking or demanding? Oh, you're asking me. I politely refuse.
You refusing to provide ID?
No, are you asking?
Are you refusing?
Are you asking?
Are you refusing?
Are you demanding?
How many times have I asked you already?
Are you asking or demanding?
I'm asking you.
Okay, I politely refuse, since you're not demanding.
Now you can refuse because we are issuing you a trespass warning.
Oh.
This gentleman does not
Okay, I'm out of here. So,
want your ID.
are you asking for my ID?
We need your ID.
Are you asking?
Yes.
Are you asking, not demanding?
Well, actually, you know what? I am demanding.
Okay, what law do you have behind it? Okay, what law do you have behind it?
Alright?
I'm leaving. I don't want it. I'm leaving. You don't need my ID.
They don't want you back.
Okay, I'm
You
gone.
have to go through this thing.
All right, I'm done. You don't need my ID. San Joaquin, Ragu Monkey, Joey Fresh, James Freeman. This is going to go with 600 million. Easily. James Freeman, San Joaquin.
Now, I think the shout-outs are great. Keep up the good work. I know it's very difficult to deal with these type of tyrants that don't know the law, especially in Miami Beach. It is a shame something so simple as a trespass laws that they don't even have no idea how it actually works. You have to be warned, and if you don't leave, then you can grab somebody's ID. This is why it's very important to always record these clowns, no matter what.
Look at this guy. What's your name, Gaitan? San Joaquin Rodriguez, which he refuses.
Are we done?
Yeah, I've been done.
Okay, so listen.
I'm leaving.
No, listen.
Go ahead.
Is this the first time you had a trespass warning issued?
I plead the Fifth Amendment. I don't answer questions.
So, if you understand what a trespass
I don't answer questions. Yeah, I know.
you are not,
Yeah, you just solicited one.
you are not arrested.
You solicited one.
You're not criminal.
So you don't need my ID. Oh, go ahead.
Okay. You know what? What is your name? I need to verify that who you say you are is who you are.
Wow.
What's your name?
I plead the Fifth Amendment. I don't answer questions. Can I leave or am I detained? Oh, I'm detained? Am I detained?
We need your information because you have a trespass warning.
Am I detained? Simple. Am I detained? Because I want to go home.
We're gonna have to run for you. I'm gonna make an incident report. You come back here tomorrow. you're going to jail. Because this is enough. All right? You understand that? You can have your 600 followers have a freaking good day. Grab your thing and get out.
What's your badge number?
Grab it and get out.
This guy's a good guy. This guy's a thug,
Grab it and get
and
out.
we're getting him out of here. Oh, wait, if I'm free to stay, I'm free. Oh, no, it's a private property. I'll be waiting on the sidewalk. Since I'm free to stay, I'm free to go, right? 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 San Joaquin. We got these thugs here. Ricky Clemens. Look at your people.
Ricky Clemens in here.
Yeah, I know. But Wayne Jones is. Yeah. Wow, this guy's an attitude. All right, guys. Obviously, couldn't do nothing with us. I need you to. Here. We ain't done yet, guys. Did you see this? Oh, let's get his computer. Let's get the car number. Look at the way he parked. Oh. This guy's gonna become virus. All right, buddy. I'm paying your tax, but oh, let's see your CAD number.
Like that six-pack of beer you got there, huh?
Yeah. It's a 12-pack, and it's legal Eagles. Oh, guys.
Make sure you don't drink it public.
Oh, wow, big crime, no? Make sure you don't smoke cocaine or do drugs while you're off duty, okay?
Wipe your nose.
Random drug test on you. Wipe my nose. Yeah, really. Wow, guys, San Joaquin. Esto va ahora mismo. All right, guys. Let's see if she got on her cat. San Joaquin. We have a live call here. She's a thug. San Joaquin. Rodriguez, te equivocaste, but you make your own choices. You're an adult. Rival thug mafia.
So this is my friend's son who's recording this interaction. That is my friend there that they have handcuffed and detained. And this is a big mistake that I'm calling out my friends on. They should have never opened the door to the police.
Yeah, that's fine. They
Keep
can record.
recording.
You can record, that's fine, but you
Don't step out. Don't step out. He's got nothing to do with it.
I need you to step out.
You ordering me or requesting?
Don't step out.
It's a request. Let's go.
I don't have to do request. I'm only an order.
Hey, call your supervisor,
You've been cool. You want me to call Ace then? You said you were Ace and Tucci, right?
Yeah, but when I say let's step out, I don't want nobody knows.
Because you have a weapon inside. You have a firearm.
Oh, it's illegal. It's not my name.
Where is it at? Where is it?
I don't know. It's in the room.
That's why we need to step out. Step out because
I ain't gonna step out.
We don't know.
Yo, why you trying to grab me, yo?
Bro, just step out. Come here.
Hey, it's a minor.
Just step
All
out.
right, keep recording.
That's fine. We just need you to step out.
I resist. I'm not getting arrested, yo. Fuck you touching me for?
Respect.
Why you touching me for, dog? Let go. Yo, let go. Yo, let go. Let go.
Let him go.
Chamaco tranquilo, ¿no?
I'm trying to be, look, I'm trying to be cool. You just.
No, you're not, because you just resisted. Bro, turn around. I'm going to detain you. You're not being arrested.
Wait, yo. Can I put my phone on the ground?
Get my phone. I got your phone, man. You got to make it as hard as it has to
Don't
be.
lock me up. The market you can have it. We're not even like that one.
Bro, relax, man. Relax. Y'all making this hard. Y'all making this hard. Put your phone down, man.
Why, he's not a handcuff. Oh my God, the phone. I'm not going to sit down. I'm right here good. I'm not your doggy. San Joaquin Valley.
Step over here.
Look at this guy. San Joaquin Valley. Check this out. San Joaquin. Look at this.
Where's the? Just let us know where the firearm is.
The firearm is locked away, safe.
It's in the safe.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Legal Eagles under my name. That's why I gave you my ID.
Let them know two detained.
Look what he did.
Now, the police will do anything in their powers to try to retaliate against you if you record them, which is exactly what South Beach King started doing in his neighborhood because he is a concerned citizen. So the cops ended up at his apartment and his son had nothing to do with the situation that was going on, but they still had to grab him and walked inside his house to grab him illegally to detain him. And for what? Once these cops realized that they effed up, they quickly released them both just a few minutes later. Complaints were filed and body cam footage will be released soon, along with an incoming lawsuit. This is what you have in Miami Beach, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to show support. Subscribe to South Beach King. Let him know that Jay Surreal sent you. He's going to need all the support he can get. His link will be down below in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and to the next one.